Hello everyone. So welcome to another video on this particular playlist on the topic of cash reconciliation. So in the previous video I have just given a basic introduction, and now based on that we will be just looking at one particular problem that we will try to solve. Okay. So let's see what is there in this question. So you can try, based on what we discussed in the last video, you can try this particular thing. And by the way, if you are coming to this video directly, please refer to the earlier videos in this particular playlist titled Cash Reconciliation. And I have explained this diagram, how to reconcile both bank statement and your account books. Okay, so using this diagram. But anyway, so let's come and look at this particular problem. So you can read the question and you can try to solve it yourself. Otherwise, just follow what I am calculating. Then based on that, you can do it. Okay. First, Sally Rice is unable to reconcile the bank balance at January 31st. Sally's reconciliation is shown here. So some kind of a reconciliation statement Sally has prepared, but then this statement is not matching, because see, adjusted balance as per bank is coming 4099, whereas adjusted balance as per book is coming 4158. These two should be same. Okay, so that is what is reconciliation. So what is instruction? What is a proper adjusted balance per bank? What is a proper adjusted cash balance as per books? And prepare adjusting journal entries necessary to determine the adjusted cash balance per books. Okay, so let us try to solve A and B first, and then C we'll look at it later. So let's look at A and B. Okay. So you see, first let's start with the first statement, cash balance as per bank. Okay, so let me write it here. Cash balance as per bank, and the amount is 3677.2. okay, so $3677.20. okay, so this is the first line, that is fine. Next, add NSF check. Okay, now what is this NSF check? That is no sufficient funds check. Okay, so but if I look at my diagram, so the NSF check is under the account books. Okay, so not under the bank side. Okay, so right now we started off with the bank balance as per bank, right? So let us see what is there on the bank side. Bank side, deposit in transit and outstanding checks are there, errors are there. So again, if you had not seen the first video, introduction video, please see that video. I explained this diagram in detail, making all these other diagrams I explained. So please see that video and then come to this video. So anyway, so now this NSF check doesn't apply to the what you call the bank side. Okay, so this is wrong. And the bank service charges also, banks automatically internally they will do it. So this is also wrong, because see here, the check printing or other service charges, they are on the accounting side. Okay, so this is not wrong. But then deposit in transit. Okay, so deposit in transit is correct, but this should be under the bank. Okay, so let me do that. So here also add deposit in transit is there. Okay, so here I have to say add, not the less deposit in transit, but add deposit in transit. What is this? These are the deposits made by the company to the bank but not yet reached the bank. Okay, so what will the bank do? After these deposits are reached to the bank will add them. So that's why I am doing add. That is the adjustment entry of $590. Okay, so $590 I have to add. Okay, so this is add. So this entry we have considered. Okay, so this is considered. Now what about outstanding checks? Okay, so outstanding checks also, you can see here I have explained, we have to reduce that. Outstanding check means the company has given a check, but the check has not yet reached the bank. Okay, so I have to, it's not add, it is less. Okay, so less outstanding check. So the amount is $770. So here I will make a negative sign. Okay, so just to for me to remind that it is less. Okay, so finally, is there any errors made by the bank? Nothing mentioned here. So we have taken care of the deposit in transit, we have taken care of the outstanding check, we have taken care of the errors. So now I can find directly the balance according to the bank. Okay, so what is the balance according to the bank? So simply now I take this, so 3677.20, okay, plus 590 minus 770. Okay, so that gives me 3497.2. Okay, so 3497.20. This is the balance as per bank, cash balance as per bank, or you can say adjusted cash balance, ADJ, adjusted cash balance as per bank. Now let us come to the this one, cash balance as per books. Okay, so as per books, cash balance as per accounting books. Okay, so I have written here, so 3975.2. okay, so 3975.20. okay, so this is according to the books. So what needs to be considered now? If I go back here to this diagram, first we need to consider the notes collected by the bank. Okay, so add. So here if you see, there is no information about notes collected by the bank. Okay, so this term is not there. Next, NSF check we have to reduce, less NSF check on the this side. Okay, so there is a NSF check, not add, it has to be less. Okay, so now I'll say less here, NSF check, not sufficient fund check. So how much was the amount? So 450. Okay, so that 450 I have to, because it is less, I'll put a minus sign here. Okay. Next, so in this diagram you see, first notes collected, not mentioned anything, so we ignore that. Next, NSF check we have considered. Then check printing or other service charges. Okay, so are there any service charges mentioned here? So here you can see bank service charge is $28. So that is mentioned here. Okay, so less, I will say bank service charge. So that is minus $28. Now whatever will be the remaining, this will be adjusted cash balance as per book. So this should be exactly equal to this amount. So let us see whether it will match or not. So I am going for 3975.2. Okay, so minus 450 minus 28. So again exactly it is matching. So 3497.20. okay, so this is the entry. Okay. So these two got matched. So finally the answer is, what is the proper adjusted cash balance as per bank? So that is 3497.2. and what is the proper adjusted cash balance as per books? That is 3497.2. so these two we completed. Next one, prepare the adjusting journal entries necessary to determine the adjusted cash balance per books. Okay, these adjusting journal entries we will be doing a little bit, in the next video, not in this video. I want to stop this video here and we will do the adjusting journal entries in the next video, because little bit I want to explain the concept and then I want to do that. So I hope you found this particular problem interesting and useful. So to how to reconcile the cash balance as per bank and as per book. Okay. So if you like this video, press the like button, and you can subscribe to my channel and refer my channel to your friends. See you in the next video, where we will be addressing this third point, that is adjusting journal entries we are going to make. Thank you.